SoFi and Ally Bank are two of the few online banks that could be true banking disruptors. That is, they could potentially completely replace the need for branch-based banking relationships. Here's a rundown of what you need to know about SoFi and Ally to determine if one might be right for you. SoFi and Ally Bank have deposit accounts that are featured on several of our best of pages. They offer high-yield deposit products as well as highly functional checking accounts. So here's a rundown of the key details of each. We'll start with SoFi, which offers a combination of a checking and savings account. You can't open one without the other, although they are two separate accounts. We'll go into details about the checking side in the next section, but the SoFi savings account is a top product. The SoFi checking and savings account has no fees or minimum balance requirements and has some interesting features like vaults, which essentially allow you to create savings accounts within your savings account to save for a specific goal. The account has one of the best APYs on our radar, and it is slightly higher than Ally's, but it requires you to set up direct deposit into the checking account to get the top rate. The Ally savings account has a competitive APY, and there are no special requirements to get the top interest rate. It has a similar feature to SoFi's vaults, as well as no fees or balance requirements. Both SoFi and Ally offer online checking accounts. SoFi's checking account must be paired with a savings account, as mentioned in the last section. It is an interest-bearing account and has ATM access at more than 55,000 locations nationwide. The SoFi checking account has excellent overdraft protection for direct deposit customers and also allows access to paychecks up to 2 days early. The Ally spending account is Ally's checking account product, and it is also an interest-bearing account. To be clear, neither bank's checking account has an APY that's competitive with online savings accounts, but they do earn some money. Ally's account has access to more than 43,000 ATMs, plus it offers up to $10 per month in out-of-network ATM fee reimbursement. And like SoFi, it also offers early access to direct deposits. When it comes to certificates of deposit, Ally Bank CDs are the clear winner. Simply put, SoFi doesn't offer CDs on its platform, not yet anyway. On the other hand, Ally is one of our top banks for CDs. It offers CDs in several different term lengths, some of which have highly competitive APYs. Ally's CDs have no minimum deposit and come in a few unique varieties. The Ally Raise Your Rate CDs come in 2-year and 4-year terms and allow customers to choose to have their rate adjusted upward if rates rise during the term. Ally is also one of the few banks to offer no penalty CDs, which come in an 11-month term and combine the ability to lock in an interest rate with the ability to withdraw the money at any time. Both banks have highly competitive APYs on all of their deposit products. With savings accounts, SoFi has a slightly higher APY as of February 2024, but requires account holders to set up direct deposit to get the best rates. On the other hand, Ally's APY is slightly lower, but still highly competitive and doesn't have any such requirement. Interest-bearing checking accounts are somewhat rare to begin with, but SoFi and Ally's checking accounts pay an APY that is in line with similar products from competitors. Finally, Ally's CDs have competitive interest rates with other top CD banks on our radar, especially considering there's no minimum deposit requirement. SoFi has strong customer service with phone support available from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. PT Monday, Thursday, and ending at 5 p.m. PT Friday, Sunday. SoFi also has an excellent chat support system and also provides help to customers through X, formerly Twitter. Ally offers phone support with representatives available 24/7, which gives it a bit of an advantage, and it also offers live chat and email support. SoFi has one of the best mobile apps in the financial industry. It not only allows customers to manage deposit accounts, loans, credit cards, investments, and more in one place, but it also has some excellent budgeting and financial tools. Everything on SoFi's app is extremely user-friendly. Ally's app has similar functionality, allowing users to manage all of their financial accounts in one place. It allows customers to access financial advice from a designated advisor and also has some excellent personal finance tools. Both of these banks have a lot to like, and both have the capability to be your only bank. There are some small differences between the two, so it could be a smart idea to look at our more thorough reviews of both SoFi and Ally Bank, as well as our individual product reviews linked throughout to see which might be the better fit for you. We recommend comparing high-yield savings account options to ensure the account you're selecting is the best fit for you. To make your search easier, here's a short list of standout accounts. Alright, so I believe that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.